In this video, I'll be showing you all the top things to do in Cologne. The city of Cologne is my first stopover on the Interrail trip in Europe. To join free hotspot Wi-Fi to navigate my way, 10 minutes walk to my hotel. Let's do the room tour. Room for one is adequate for the 2-night stay. It was in a safe area, spacious, affordable, and clean. On the day of my arrival, there was still plenty of daylight to explore the nearby areas. Found a perfect place in the city center for some photos and Instagram moments. Very good transport network in Cologne. The city is also very much walkable to most top tourist attractions, shopping streets. We have taxis and a lot of taxis. Here by the station, you get buses just here. Walking across this bridge is a must. From here you can get spectacular views of Cologne. It is only a few minutes walk from the center of Cologne, even though this walk is perfect for couples. This is highly recommended for solo travelers. It's quite a relaxing walk across the bridge with perfect skyline view of Cologne. The famous laugh locks on the Hohenzollern bridge across the Rhine is a famous tradition since 2008. Couples have been attaching padlocks to the bridge as a symbol of their love, then throwing the key into the river Rhine to make their commitment irreversible. The bridge across the Rhine has become a romantic landmark, offering stunning view of Cologne skyline, especially at sunset. And the number of locks has been increasing, estimated weighing around 45 tons in total. Wow, look at this amazing cathedral in Cologne, just outside the station. The Cologne Cathedral is one of Germany's most iconic landmarks and masterpiece of the Gothic architecture. This is a fantastic destination for solo travelers. It's a place where you can soak in history, admire breathtaking architecture, and enjoy peaceful moments of reflection whilst mingling in the crowds. The Cologne Cathedral is one of the top attractions that draws millions and millions of visitors to this city. It is spectacular both inside and outside. Rhine, here in Germany. This river here is quite iconic. It originates in the Swiss Alps and stretches through Switzerland, Austria, Liechtenstein, Germany, France, and the Netherlands. The Rhine empties into the North Sea near Rotterdam in Netherlands. It is of historical significance for trade and commerce. That is huge. You can pay to join the tour buses. They will take you around to top tourist attractions, or you can join walking group tours with the tour guide. I prefer to walk, taking everything at my leisurely pace. Cologne is a shopper's paradise with various famous shopping streets, including Schildergasse, which is a pedestrian shopping street lined with popular retailers, boutiques, and souvenir shops. And entertainment. Cologne is described as a vibrant city with endless options of nightlife, museums to explore. The Ludwig Museum is one of the top attractions in this city, where you could discover an extensive collection of modern art. I'm only here on a brief visit. If staying longer, there is a lot more to see and a lot more to do. You could travel further afield on buses and metro. I'm in here. I got a table for one. Solo dining is something that you have to be comfortable with if traveling alone. Solo travel and dining alone can be incredibly liberating. It is a chance to embrace independence. Here are some tips to make this comfortable and enjoyable experience. Pick the right spot, restaurants with communal tables or bar seating. Eat your meal at your own pace and take a chance to interact with other diners. If you are ever self-conscious about dining alone, just remember that many people do it, whether they are working, traveling, or just enjoying their own company. Bring a book or a journal, something to read or write in between. Focus on the food, enjoy every bite. Or people watching, especially if your table is facing out in the streets. As I walked around the city exploring during the daytime, I did take note of restaurants, especially those closer to my accommodation for my evening meal. Supermarkets offer a variety of ready-to-eat meals and drink, whether you are looking for a quick snack, something to eat, healthy meal options, or affordable food and drink. The hotel I stayed at offered a breakfast buffet, which was quite convenient and affordable.
Aber ist doch okay, du hast einfach ein gutes Immunsystem. Du wirst doch nicht mehr.
In Cologne. See? Wow. I hope you have enjoyed and found this video of value. I really enjoyed my visit to Cologne. It is an incredible place with a vibrant mix of history, culture, and vibrant energy. Thank you, my returning subscribers. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye from Cologne and see you in Berlin.